Hey, real quick, man, we with the hottest in the game right now, the baby. We got one quick question for you, man. All the ladies want to know, what city would you say has the best women? Atlanta. You heard it here first.
And that old ass jet you got, they gave it to you free. That's a 1978. Be safe on that, Drizzy. Be safe on that plane. That old motherfucker. God, it's great.
Bro, do not be doing that. Why do you, what you do that for? All right, I did no.
The team wanted to present you with a little something, Dre. You're on U of A's jersey. And 24 is going to be a big special year for U of A.